Good evening, this is Hari Swaminathan from OptionTiger.com. Following up on our last week's webinar, we're doing another one this Sunday, and this is going to be on Feb 26th, which is tomorrow, 9 p.m. Eastern Time. And we're going to talk of how we deal with live option trade analysis, specifically, again, looking at what makes up a good trade, what is not. And let me just tell you a brief outline about that. This is, of course, you know this very well. You can find me more on my LinkedIn profile. I'll send out a link. But let's move on. Top 3 reasons to attend this webinar. All of these are coming together in some form. Even last week's webinar in that context is going to be part of this overall picture, which is a series of 3 webinars. And the next one being on next Wednesday or Thursday. If you can get the edge back from the market maker at the beginning of the trade, there's nothing like it. Remember, he's going to start off with an edge of about 5 to 6 points. Otherwise, why would he be a market maker? Why would he take risk if he's not given the legal opportunity to make that profit by way of an edge? So, of course, he has an edge. So, but we can bring it back. We can bring it back either at the beginning of a trade or sometime during the trade. And it's best to begin, if you can, with it coming from the start of the trade, that is. Second reason, tomorrow again, you're going to get this method. I mean, how we take up analysis. And this is going to be a little unique format, okay, for the webinar. You know, you'll get a very good idea of what soft skills are required and how can you develop them systematically. So trade entry can give you the 60% edge. Let's say if the market maker starts with a 60% edge, you can bring that edge over to your side if you think about how you can structure the trade to give you the edge. And then you have to develop an out-of-the-box mindset early. It's not going to take you long to develop this mindset. Now, I might spend an hour, analyzing something, but in reality, I don't. It's done in 5 or 10 minutes, okay? So once you do more and more of this, that's what you'll find. Workshop format. Now, this is going to be a unique method. Make sure that everybody is learning. And so we're going to do a workshop format, which is more of a, interactive, it's brainstorming, things like that, together, collectively. In that regard, I'm going to pick 2 trades given by registrants. So you can register. If you give us 2 trades, I'll pick 2. You're going to see some of the others also post because it's going to be up on our Facebook page. And by 6 p.m. tomorrow, guys, please, you can post your trade ideas right there. Okay, whether it's an image, whether it's some text, combination, whatever. But give me enough information so I understand what the trade is about. And just give a brief also. Okay, why do you think this trade is good? Because these are the exact methods and methodologies that we use in Trader Max. So the next session is coming up on March 6th, I believe. So take a look at these things. I mean, this is what we get into if you trade 10 different option strategies. Now, each of them is going to have their own methodologies because you cannot apply one-size-fits-all methodology to all of them. So all the major strategies we've done and we're going to do, in the live session as well. Okay. So, that's it, guys. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. The next slide of this video, you will see the registration page. Okay. Submit your trades by 6 p.m. tomorrow on our Facebook page and let's take it from there. Thank you very much. Look forward to seeing you.